Hi. You see that big box over there? That is a heat press. But a heat press for what? Let me explain. This is Alexis Sofa Leather. Welcome to my midweek shop talk. I don't know how often I'm going to do this, but I figure I'll let you know what's going on this week. I am gravitating towards dyeing my leather. I'm only using natural vegetan Herman oak. Natural vegetan Herman oak. And I'm just going to dye everything. It didn't take long to dye this. It works well in my schedule. This is going to be a radio strap, my first one, coming back into the shop. And it's been sitting for a couple of days with no finish on it whatsoever. Just a little neat's foot and some buffing. And that's that. But that box behind me, we'll unpack here in a second. That is a flat heat press. For what? To press on a piece of leather that is laser etched and laser cut. So that is basically what I got those tables for. One table is going to be dedicated for a laser cutter. It's going to be the X Tool P2. I haven't ordered it yet. For now, I'm getting my work done locally from a friend of mine who did these hats. I'm still kind of ironing out the wrinkles a little bit. But yes, I'm buying a laser machine to cut out and to do basically nameplates. I'll put a picture of my first product here. This is essentially what I'm going to be doing. And one of those boxes over there are the different colors, schemes. So when I get to unboxing that, I'll show you exactly the different color schemes I'm going to offer. I have a feeling that the red to black letters is going to be, like that picture is going to be probably one of my popular ones. But there's a lot of different color schemes. And I'm really excited about that. And primarily, if I'm being honest and forthright with you guys, I dislike hand painting with the acrylic. I don't have that gift. I don't have it. There's a couple guys on YouTube that are absolutely amazing on Instagram. I don't know how they do it, but just the time spent on painting, not only that, it'll rub off. I never really had a problem. People liked it. And besides, given the work environment, it's kind of salty. If some of the paint's chipping off or looking kind of salty, it's a badge of honor, to be honest with you, in the fire service. But I am venting and talking a lot right now, rambling. But anyway, all that to say is I got all of my dye in. If you want to look at my Instagram, I put a link in the description. I have a couple of pictures of all the dye that I bought. Basically, I'm going to offer black, dark brown, and red, and natural. Those are going to be the 4 colors I'm going to offer on all my products. So moving forward, that's going to streamline things a little bit. The laser edition is, Lord willing, going to be a positive change to the business. It's going to be pretty neat. It's going to open up a lot of doors and a lot of capabilities as far as different products and stuff like that. But I'm going to start right now with just the laser etched patches for the name. That's pretty cool. But anyways, let me go over there and open up at least the leather. I'm not even going to bother with the press. But the leather, I'm going to open up the different color swatches to show you. All right, hold on. Let me cut this open. I'm not even going to bother with the press. I got too much work to do. I still got to glue that belt. But I'm just going to open this, and I'll bring this over there to you guys real quick. You saw my opening skills? Whoa. This is where I get my leatherette patches, Lone Star. All right, let me show you different colors. All right. So that picture you saw was red, and when you etch it, it reveals black. So that's red to black. This one is black, and it goes from black to, you see the dot there? That indicates that it goes from black to gold. My phone's ringing. Hey, Mom, I'm talking to you from my phone, and I'm recording a YouTube video. Are you going to say hello to the world?
Hi, world. How are you all?
They said you're interrupting the video. That's what they said.
I'm sorry about that.
I'll be done in 2 minutes.
Let the world know I love you.
Okay, well, the world knows you love me. I love you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye. This one indicates black to like a silver. I'm going to offer a blue to, what is that, black? So how this works is when you etch, it etches down into the different layers. I don't know if you could see the different layers in there. You probably can't, but it reveals a layer underneath. So this will be blue, and then you reveal black. Just like that picture I showed you. That one was red to black. Look at this one. Oh, I forgot. This one's gray to black. Gray to black. Hot pink to black. A forest green, I forgot what they call it. This is a certain type of green. Green to black. And this one's really, really cool. This one's a white to black. And I actually have a hat patch. Hold on, give me a second. Let me show you that hat patch. This one is the white to black. That is one of my favorite ones. And by the way, this is one of my BFFs. He was in the fire service with me, had to retire a little early. Anyway, long story short, he's a good guy, hard worker, and he does mobile detailing if you're in the Central Florida area. Amazing work. Attention to detail, second to none. Hey, you know what? I'll put a link in the description for his website. This is another green. I'm not a big fan. It looked better on the website. Maybe somebody like it, I don't know. Here's a purple. Purple to green, purple to black. That green is a green to black. Here is just a regular leather color to black. And then the one you saw in the picture, a red to black. So that's what I'm gonna offer. I have a feeling that the blue to black's gonna do well, the black to gold's gonna do well, the white to black's gonna do well, and the red to black. That's my guess. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this new feature that I'm gonna offer. What color you think is gonna do well. Let me know in the comments below what color you guys think is gonna do well. With that in mind, I'm out of here. I'm not even gonna bother opening up that leather press, the heat press. Sorry, I can't speak right now. Because I have to glue this, I gotta glue this strap. Speaking of gluing this strap, since I have lung herpes, I have to use this guy while I glue, and I really encourage you guys to protect your lungs when you're using any kind of toxic chemicals, especially a contact cement. So, with that being said, the garage door is usually open, the fan's going, and but you know what? Get one of these. It's not expensive. It'll do you some good. You guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? What colors you think are going to do really well? Talk to you later. Bye.